This week's top stories. Chartered Institution of Civil Engineering Surveyors elects youngest ever president. An associate director at Turner & Townsend, Alexandra Pearsall, has contributed to major projects including HS2, Heathrow Airport, and the London 2012 Olympics. At 32, Alexandra is the Chartered Institution of Civil Engineering Surveyors' youngest ever president. ABM appointed official cleaning supplier for Chelsea Football Club. ABM will provide cleaning services for Chelsea Football Club sites at Stamford Bridge, Kings Meadow and Cobham in a multi-year partnership. Over 200 ABM employees will provide cleaning services across concourses, hospitality areas, offices, training areas and facilities. AJ Products launches University Scholarship for Workplace Wellbeing Innovation. A new £1,000 university scholarship is challenging UK students to propose innovative solutions that enhance employee well-being through physical work environments. This could be a product, an initiative, a change to building design, in an office environment, or an industrial workspace.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.